The Nigerian Exchange Group has said that it will be adopting technology to drive the capital raising efforts of financial companies who are raising to meet the new capital requirements of the Central Bank of Nigeria. The Group Managing Director, Chief Executive Officer of the NGX Group, Temi Popola, revealed this on Monday when the Ministry of Industry and Trade and Investment, Dr. Doris Uzoka-Nite, visited the NGX headquarters in Lagos. Uzoka-Nite went to the exchange after paying a visit to the Nigerian Breweries PLC, which days earlier announced that it was temporarily closing operations at 2 out of its 9 breweries due to economic headwinds. Popola, who called for intentionality on the part of the government in terms of policies affecting the capital market, said the bank recapitalization exercise will provide a unique opportunity for the market. The NGX Group boss added that it will provide an opportunity for foreign investors to return to the market. According to Popola, the market is ready for the capital raise. He pointed out that the NGX Group was not doing it alone, but with the help of the regular, the Security and Exchange Commission. And the Naira has continued its resurgence against the United States dollar, appreciating 1,136 Naira to dollar at the official market and 1,050 Naira to dollar at the foreign market at the close of trading activities on Monday. At the official foreign exchange market, data from the FMDQ exchange, a platform that oversees the Nigerian autonomous foreign exchange market, revealed that the Naira surged by 6.1% or 69 Naira from 1,205 Naira to dollar, recorded on Monday, to 1,136 Naira to dollar on Monday. The total daily turnover dropped slightly to $251.60 million on Monday from $281.34 million recorded on Friday. The intra-trade high also improved significantly, closing at 1,227 Naira per dollar from 1,265 Naira per dollar quoted on Friday. The intraday low appreciated by 100 Naira to dollar as the dollar was quoted on the spot at 1,000 Naira Monday, stronger than 1,100 quoted on Friday. Data for the FMDQ also indicated that total inflows into the NAFEM increased by 41.7% to $3.75 billion as against $2.64 billion in February, the highest level since March 2019. The Apex Bank had last week reviewed the exchange rate for the bureau de change operators to 1,101 Naira per dollar from 1,251 Naira per dollar as it plans to sell $15.88 million to 1,588 eligible BDC operators. Last week, an investment company, Goldman Sachs Group, said the Naira had already established itself as a currency globally in April, adding that the local currency was expected to extend its gains amid the continuing effective policy management by the Central Bank of Nigeria. Now, Goldman Sachs economists, who previously forecasted in February that the Naira would strengthen to 1,200 Naira per dollar in 2024, now anticipate it could surpass this level due to aggressive measure by the central bank, including a total of 600 basis points in interest rate increases during policy meeting in February and March. And the National Bureau of Statistics has disclosed that Nigeria's headline inflation rate increased to 33.20% in March 2024, up from 31.70% in February 2024. This represents a month-over-month increase of 1.50 percentage points in the headline inflation rate, according to recently released data by the MBS. Year-on-year data shows a significant 11.16 percentage point rise in the headline inflation rate from March 2023, which was at 22.04%. This indicates a significant increase in the headline inflation rate for March 2024 compared to the same month in the previous year. In addition, the month-on-month headline inflation rate for March 2024 was 3.02%, which is 0.10% lower than the rate recorded in February 2024. This suggests that the pace of the average price level increase in March 2024 was slower than the preceding month. For the year ending in March 2024, the average consumer price index NGX increased by 27.13% compared to the previous year, which was a rise of 6.76% from 20.37% increase observed in March 2023. And the urban inflation rate in March 2024 reached 35.18%, which was 12.11 percentage points higher than the 23.07% rate from March 2023. Comparing month to month, urban inflation decreased slightly to 3.17% in March 2024, down by 0.0001 percentage point from February 2024. The 12-month average urban inflation rate as of March 2024 was 28.96%, which was 7.96 percentage points higher than the 21.00 reported in March 2023. Year-on-year, rural inflation stood at 31.45% in March 2024, which was 10.37 percentage points higher than 21.09 for March 2023. And the Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of the Economy, Wale Edun, says foreign direct investment into Nigeria fell by $19 billion in 10 years, from $22.7 billion in 2014 to $3.7 billion in 2023. He stated this at a presentation which was made before leading business executives at the Lagos Business School Breakfast Club. The minister spoke about the key issues confronting the economy and what the government was doing about it. The Lagos Business School Breakfast Club provides an avenue for C-suite executives to gain access to high-quality intelligence about the operating business environment without expending much of their most scarce resource time. According to Edun, the kernel of the federal government's economic reforms aims to boost forex supply through increased foreign direct investment and foreign portfolio investment. In his presentation, Edun noted that foreign direct investment in Nigeria in 2014 stood at $22.7 billion. It reduced to $14.4 billion the following year and to $10.4 in 2016. The minister also announced plans by the federal government to issue domestic bonds denominated in foreign currency in the second quarter of the year. The move came amidst plans by the government to attract additional foreign exchange inflows to stabilize its currency.